look at this cool digital camera my dad gave me. It takes amazing pictures.
Wow, Ollie, that's so cool. Does it have a memory stick to save all your photos?
Yes, it has a big one, so I can store lots of pictures and videos. Do you have a digital camera?
No, but I use my mobile phone to take pictures. I can edit them right away.
That's true, but I think digital cameras take better quality pictures. By the way, have you ever tried a VR headset?
Yes, my cousin has one, and it's amazing. I felt like I was inside a video game. Have you tried one?
Yeah, my brother has one. We play virtual reality games together. It's so much fun.
I bet. Do you also use a controller when you play games?
Of course, I have a wireless controller for my PlayStation console. It's much easier to use than a keyboard.
I agree. I like playing games on my tablet though. The touch screen is really easy to use.
Tablets are great. I use mine to watch videos and do homework. It's lighter than a laptop, so I can take it anywhere.
Speaking of laptops, look, my mom just bought a new one. It's really fast, and the keyboard is super comfortable to type on.
Nice. Laptops are great for school projects. Do you use headphones when you watch videos?
Yes, I love my headphones. They help me focus when I listen to music or watch movies without disturbing anyone.
Same here. I also use them when I play online games with my friends. The sound is really clear.
That's awesome. Do you ever use 3D glasses?
Yeah, I wore them at the cinema when I watched a 3D movie. It felt like the characters were coming out of the screen.
I love 3D movies. They make everything look so real. Oh, and do you have a printer at home?
Yes, we do. I use it to print my homework and pictures. It's really useful.
That's great. Mine is broken. Can I use yours to print my homework?
Sure, technology is amazing, isn't it?
Absolutely. I can't wait to see what new devices they'll invent next.
Me too. Let's go print your homework and play some games on your tablet now.
Great idea. Let's go.